Good morning children. Today we are going to revise the portion and pattern for English exam, and then we shall revise the unit 2 fully. Let's see that. Portion unit 1, unit 2, prose, poem and supplementary. Part 1. First, synonyms 2 into 1, 2. Antonyms 2 into 1, 2. Match the following 3 into 1, 3. Syllables 2 into 1, 2. Homophones 2 into 1, 2. Homonyms 2 into 1, 2. Part 2. Prose and poem question answer and paragraphs. Question answer. 6 questions will be given. You have to choose any 4 questions. 4 into 2, 8 marks. Paragraphs. 3 paragraph questions will be given. You have to choose any 2 paragraphs. 2 into 4, 8 marks. Next, memory poem, Wandering Singers, 5 marks. Next, Part 3, Grammar, Degrees of Comparison and Active Voice, Passive Voice, 2 into 2, 4 marks. Part 4, Supplementary, Identify the character or speaker, 2 into 1, 2 marks. Find their group names, 2 into 1, 2 marks. Rearrange the sentences, 3 into 1, 3 marks. Part 5, Letter writing, 5 marks. Total 50 marks. Unit 2, Prose 2, The Last Stone Carver. Page number 116. Which of the 2 sentences given below conveys the following meaning? First one, strained by, mark made on cloths or materials. The whitewashed walls were stained by many monsoons. The answer is, the walls were made dirty by rains. Second one, working for a pittance, working for very little money. I am tired of working for a pittance. The answer is option B. He didn't want to work as he gets low income for his work. Next, third one, ashen, pale. His face was ashen. The answer is option A. He looked pale and dull. Next, fourth one, drenched, thoroughly wet. He is drenched to the skin. The answer is option B. He is thoroughly wet. Next, page number 118. Read the sentences and number them in correct order. First one, the old man worked tirelessly on the sculpture. He had a strong wish to finish it in time. Third one, over days he felt very weak. Fourth one, he thought he wouldn't be able to finish it. Fifth one, he wished to have Gopal with him. Sixth one, he realized that Gopal must learn to carve the finer details. Seventh one, Salim felt that it should come from within. Page number 120, read section 3rd, para 1 and 4 and answer the following questions. Read section 3, para 1 and 4 and answer the following questions. Paragraph 1. Who listened to the chipping sound of the sizzle? The answer is the old man. Who was working with the hammer and sizzle? The answer is Salim. Paragraph 4. Who was staring? The old man. Who was the young stone carver? Salim. What was he working on? The face of the statue. Page number 121. Arrange the words in alphabetical order. Find the meaning of the words from the dictionary and fill in the blanks. First one, applique, ornamental needlework. Second one, calligraphy, the art of producing decorative handworking. Third one, ikebana, the art of Japanese flower arrangement. Fourth one, origami, the Japanese art of folding paper into decorative shapes and forms. Fifth one, tapestry, a form of textile art. Next, be Roman, match the tools with art forms. Column A, hammer and chisel, paintbrush and palette, molds and roll pin, scissors and papers, needle and thread. Column B, painting, sculpture, embroidery, pottery, collage. First one, hammer and chisel. The answer is sculpture. Second one, paintbrush and palette, painting. Third one, molds and roll pin, pottery. Fourth one, scissors and paper, collage. Fifth one, needle and thread, embroidery. Page number 124. Construct meaningful sentences from the table given below. The answer is E. Roman. Silence should be maintained in libraries, hospitals, etc. Second one, cars should not be parked in no parking area. Third one, cleanliness should be practiced at homes as well as in public places. Fourth one, cell phones should not be used in petrol bunks. Fifth one, junk food should be avoided as it is bad for health. Sixth one, sweets should be avoided as they cause cavities and a toothache. Next, F. Roman, read the news report given below and underline the passive form of verbs. The police had announced that the State Bank of India was robbed yesterday. The answer is had announced. You underline the passive form of verbs had announced was robbed. Two men entered the bank at 4:30 p.m. with guns in their hands. Customers and bank clerks were asked to lie down on the floor, and one of the bank clerks was made to fill robbers' bags with money. The answer is were asked, was made. After that, the two men left the bank quickly. The police officer said that more than 1 lakh of rupees was stolen from the bank, but nobody was injured. The answer is was stolen, was injured. He also added that the robbers would be found soon. The answer is would be found. G. Roman, Ronnie's teachers narrates to her students about the production of paper. Read the following narration and fill in the blanks with the verbs using their passive form. People of China produced paper from wood. They mixed water with the fibers of wood and dried it until they became a soft bulb. They used this bulb to make paper. The Chinese invented this method of paper making in 2nd century BCE. Later, Egyptians used papyrus plants to make paper. First one, Paper dash produced from wood. The answer is was produced. Paper was produced from wood. Second one, the fibers of wood from trees dash mix with water to make a soft wet bulb. The answer is were mixed. W-E-R-E, were mixed. Next, third one, later it dash to make paper. The answer is was dried. Later it dash dried to make paper. The answer is was dried. D-R-I-E-D, dried. Fourth one, this method dash invent in 2nd BCE in China. The answer is was invented. I-N-V-E-N-T-E-D, was invented. Then fifth one, papyrus plant dash used by Egyptians to make paper. The answer is were used. W-E-R-E-U-S-E-D, were used. Page number 125. H. Roman, read the process of making soup, use suitable passive form of verbs and complete the paragraph. Mix the soap powder with 750 ml of water without allowing it to form lumps. Pour the mixture into a heavy bottomed vessels. Bring it to a boil and stir it continuously. Simmer the soup for 5 minutes. Transfer the soup into 4 soup bowls and serve garnished with fried corns. The pocket is opened and contains dash with 750 ml of water without allowing it to form lumps. The answer is all mixed. A-R-E-M-I-X-E-D, all mixed. The mixture is dashed into a heavy bottomed vessel. The answer is poured. P-O-U-R-E-D, is poured. It dashed in low flame for 5 minutes. The answer is boiled. I-S is B-O-I-L-E-D, is boiled. Then the soup dashed into soup bowls and dashed with fried corns. The answer is transferred. T-R-A-N-S-F-E-R-R-E-D, transferred. Next answer is garnished with fried corns. I-S is G-A-R-N-I-S-H-E-D, is garnished. Next, memory poem, Two Wandering Singers. Where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet. Through echoing forest and echoing street. With lutes in our hand, ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred, the world is our home. Our lays are cities whose luster is shed. The laughter and beauty of woman long dead. The sword of old battles, the crown of old kings. And happy and simple and sorrowful things. Which was written by Sarojini Naidu. Let's see the rhyming words. What is the rhyming word? The word which have the same sound is called a rhyming word. So the last word of the first line is feet. And the word which rhymed to the word is street. Feet, street, the rhyming words. Next, row, home. Next, the last word of the first line is shed. And the word which rhymed to the word is dead. So the rhyming words are shed, dead. Next, kings, things. So the last word of the first line is show. And the word which rhymed to the word go. So the rhyme words are show, go, wait, fate. Pick out the rhyming paths from the poem and fill in the table. First stanza, feet, street, row, home. Second stanza, shed, dead, kings, things. Third stanza, so, go, wait, fate. Supplementary 2, Naya, the poem of Chitrakars. Page number 133, fill in the blanks choosing the words, phrases given in the box. Naya is a quaint little village in West Bengal. Das district. The answer is Midnapur district. However, it is not an ordinary village. Around 250 Patuas or Das or artists live there. The answer is Chitrakars. These folk artists are painters, lyricists, singers and performers all rolled into one. They practice an ancient dance called Padachitra. The answer is folk art. This is a type of storytelling using dance. The answer is painted scrolls. SCROLLS, painted scrolls. The scrolls had stories painted on them and the artists sang the story as they danced, unrolled, UNROLLED, unrolled the scroll. This art has been practiced since the 13th century. Next, write the apt word for the given phrases. First one, the traditional folk art of West Bengal. The answer is Padachitra. Second one, annual festival to celebrate the success of local artists. The answer is Pot Maya. Potmaya. Pot Maya. Then third one, the other name of storytellers. Patuas or Chitrakars. PATUAS. Patuas or Chitrakars. CHITRAKAARS. Then fourth one, conservation of trees, female, infanticide, etc. The answer is social messengers. SOCIALMESSAGES. Social messengers. Characters. First one, the artists of Naya are called Chitrakars or Patuas. Second one, these folk artists include painters, lyricists, singers and performers. Third one, the number of artists 250. Next, setting, state, district, village. State, West Bengal. District, Midnapur. Village, Naya. Next, solution. Patuas establish a Padachitra village at Naya. Problem, this art form faded over a period of time. Page number 134. D. Roman, the process of making a pata is in jumbled form. Read the sentences and number them in proper order. First one, a pata is created by painting on a canvas. Second one, jute fiber canvas was used in olden days. Third one, it is made by stitching multiple sheets of poster paper together. Fourth one, plant-based colors and lamp black are mixed in coconut shells. Fifth one, the sap of the wood apple tree acts as a glue. Sixth one, a thin cotton cloth is glued to the back of the painting for long life. Seventh one, the completed scrolls are dried in the sun. Eighth one, finally they are stored in rolled up bundles. Then J. Roman, find their group name and write them in the blanks. First one, Kuchipudi, Bhangra, Dandiya, performing art. Second one, prose, poetry, drama, novel, literary art. Third one, photography, filmmaking, sculpture, visual art. Fourth, karate, kung fu, capoeira, martial art. Fifth one, weaving, embroidery, carpet designing, textile art. Unit 2, prose to the last stone carver. Synonyms. First one, congested, overcrowded, grunted, made a low sound, crouching, sitting on heels. Fourth one, determination, firmness to do something. Serene, calm, blurred, become unclear, blush, so, sinus, stumbled, lost balance. Immobilized, stopped from moving, tottered over, moved unsteadily way, startled, surprised. Second Roman, antonyms. Days, nights, tirelessly, tiredly, strong, weak, pointed, blunt. Serene, noisy, finish, begin, best, worst, blurred, brightened, sank, floated, whispered, shouted, different, same, bluish, pale, sudden, slow, painfully, pleasantly, limply, stiffly. Poem 2, Wandering Singers. Read the poem lines and answer the questions given below. First one, where the voice of the wind calls our wandering feet. A. Whose wandering feet are referred to here? The answer is the wandering feet of the band of folk singers. Second one, with lutes in our hands ever singing we roam. All men are our kindred and world is our home. A question, who does we refer to? What do they have in their hands? What is its name? The answer is we refers to the wandering singers. They have some musical instruments. Its name is lute. Second one, how are men in the world related to the singers? The answer is all men in the world are their extended family and the world is their home. Then third one, our lays are of cities whose luster is shed. Here, lays mean stories. Lie down, stories to keep. The answer is option B, stories. Then fourth one, the laughter and beauty of woman long dead. Explain the meaning of the above line. The answer is, in the days long past there lived many beautiful women. They smiled and laughed gracefully. The singers used to sing about the beauty and laughter of those women. Next, Roman 2, answer in a paragraph. What does Sarojini Naidu say about the wandering singers? Write in your own words. The answer is, the singers do not settle down in their place. They keep wandering. Their songs echo in the forest and the street. The singers carry lutes. They sing of bright cities and the beauty of women who lived long ago. They also sing about kings and battles. Their songs are about happy, simple and sorrowful things. Neither love nor joy could stop them. The voice of the wind is the voice of their fate. Think and answer. Are the singers homeless travelers? Why do you think so? The answer is yes, they are homeless travelers because they wandered from town to town and from village to village to spread the message of love through their singing. Second one, do the singers have hopes and dreams? If not, why? The answer is the wandering singers have no hopes and dreams of their own. They go wherever the wind calls them. Third one, what are the themes of the singers' songs? The answer is the singers sing about cities filled with light. They sing about the laughter and beauty of women who lived long ago. They sing about old kings and their battles. They also sing about happy, simple and sorrowful things. Then supplementary 2, Naya, the home of Chitrakas. Book page number 134, E. Roman, write a few sentences about Patmaya festival. Supplementary 2, Naya, the home of Chitrakas. Book page number 134, E. Roman, write a few sentences about Patmaya festival. Patmaya is a 3-day annual festival. It has been held since 2010. It is held in the month of November to celebrate the success of local artists. Exhibits of ancient scrolls and modern paintings are displayed during this festival. The mud walls of houses are painted with colorful Padachitra motifs. The entire village is kept clean. Visitors are allowed to stay in the houses of the Patuas. Workshops and a demonstration related to the Patua art are held during this festival. Go through the revision video thoroughly and study well for your exam according to the pattern wise. I hope that you all have understood today's class. Do your homework regularly and send it through WhatsApp. Thank you, children.